ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to do is it full bottle worthy or not? I love these videos. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts and some first impressions, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go live. But that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. We'd love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see ya. I see ya. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. You all, I love these videos, okay? When I tell you if it's full bottle worthy or not, in my opinion, okay? And again, if you love these fragrances, I am not stopping you from purchasing it, okay? It just does not work for me, or maybe it does work for me, right? I have my own thoughts, you have yours. And so, honey, let's chat it up in the comments. I would love to know what you think. But, you know, elephant in the room.
Do you want to talk about the elephant in the room?
Wow. Okay. You know what? First of all, wow. All right. I can't even.
We're going to start with the one that I've talked about. I've had some thoughts because I went into the store and I smelled it and I said it smelled like a farm shop.
You smell like ointment and pee.
You smell like ointment and pee.
You smell like ointment and pee.
I said it smelled like a farm shop.
I said what I said.
And I know some of you all love it. You purchased this. Sis, what you talking about? I'm talking about guidance, okay? I know y'all are like, she better not talk about my fragrance. So, Amouage Guidance, okay? Now, look, I got this from Scentbird, okay? Love Scentbird. Scentbird is stepping it up, okay? They like, we ain't come to play. Don't play with us. We gonna give you some niche. Don't play with us, okay? So, as soon as Scentbird got Amouage Guidance, I knew that was gonna be on my next, is gonna be in my queue. I knew it, okay? And if you're not familiar with Scentbird is, and this is not sponsored, okay? Yeah. Hi, Scentbird! But Scentbird is a fragrance subscription base. They have candles, they have all different types of things, right? But I like the fragrances, right? And you can test different things that you have seen or wanted to try, and they give you a nice travel size so that you can do the tester. They also give you this card, gives you a picture of the bottle, and they give you the notes, okay? So notes we have is frankincense, pear, rose, sandalwood, and vanilla. Now, I know Sharita, she is a beautiful YouTuber, and she raved about this fragrance, and we all were like, ooh girl, we gotta get that, yeah, gotta get. Y'all know I dance around here. Anyway, so I tested it in store when I was in Miami. I don't know if you all remember this story, but a little quick one too. Was in Miami, tested it, put it on skin, and I said, well, who likes this? Is what I said. And I said it. I said, who likes this?
Who are you and what are you doing here?
No! Spray, I was like, farm show. Get this off of me. Get this off of me right now, right? But at the dry down, that's when it got good, okay? And I am going to say, I'm not rolling back on my words, y'all. The initial spray, turn off. And maybe that's the frankincense. Turns me off every time I spray this. I actually have to like hold my breath. I don't enjoy the initial spray. I don't. And I have a really good travel size. So don't say, oh, well, she ain't got the full bottle. I got a good travel size. I've been testing it out. I don't like the initial spray. I just don't. My opinion. I don't. Like, even right, I do not like the initial spray. The initialness of this, miss me with it. But when I say, now I will say this, that dry down, That's what everybody is talking about, is the dry down, right? They are talking about it is so beautiful at the dry down. I just wish it did that in the beginning, but it is amazing at the dry down and projecting. And when I tell you it stays on your skin, it was fighting me. It was fighting me. And I said, you don't even have to fight me because I'm not fighting you.
Come out of her corner, Ada. Let the 1, 2, 3, 4.
She wasn't ready.
Like, we don't get along in the beginning, but you know what I'm saying? Like, as I get to know you, okay, you know, we cool, right? We family.
Just a little misunderstanding. We're cool now, right? We're cool, right?
You ain't got to fight me, is what I'm saying to Guidance. But again, that initial spray turns me off each and every time. I'm not gonna ever like the initial spray. Let's just put that now. But the dry down, like literally, if you pick that for your fragrance of the day or your scent of the day, be committed. Because it's like, it's holding on to you, it's not letting you go. It's like, what else you putting on? I don't care. I don't care. Body spray? I don't care. It is one of those. It's very aggressive.
I have to make it. Whew, that's some testosterone problem. It dislocated my shoulder.
You ever been to the pen?
Hell no. Thanks for asking.
She's very aggressive, but I do enjoy it. I do see what everybody is saying, that it is beautiful. I will say it's beautiful, but full bottle. Would I purchase this? Absolutely not. I'm not going to purchase this. Okay, which I'm not going to purchase it, but I will say, would I put it on my wish list for somebody else to spend their coins to purchase it for me? Sure.
Oh, well, isn't that convenient?
Sure. I will put it on my wish list, maybe my Christmas list, for somebody else to purchase it for me. So then I don't feel like, oh, I spend my coins. I don't even like the initial spray. I just like the dry down. No, it got to be a gift. This got to be a gift. So full bottle as a gift. Moving on. Next up from Scentbird, we have the Parfums de Marly Valaya. So, oh my goodness, I smell Valaya in store. When it first came out, I smelled Valaya and loved Valaya. So, absolutely, I just got it because I'm not going. Valaya's not on the list right now. Well, she on the list. She's not in the queue to purchase full bottle. But Valaya has bergamot, white peach, orange blossom, vanilla, and musk. Honey, it's good. I love it. I have to get a full bottle. So full bottle worthy? Yes, and yes. I have to get it. The hype is real. Everybody's talking about her, and they're right. Like the longevity, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I want it. Okay? But I can't get it right now. Clearly, if y'all seen some of my hauls, you know I can't get it right now. But I definitely will be adding this to my collection. I can't wait. Highly would recommend this. You all, like, it is amazing. If you have Scentbird, put it in your queue. Test it out. It is beautiful, sis, okay? Woo, baby. Longevity, all of that. Projecting, all of that. What else you want to know? Is it male, female? Now, I will say this leans more on the feminine side, okay? I mean, it does lean more on the feminine side to me. But males, if you like that type of, if you like a good old bergamot, white peach, because the peachy is peaching, the vanilla, if you like that type of scent, you would get along with this. But this is, to me, very much a blind buy, okay? I said it. You can even blind buy this. Love it, okay? Moving on. Next, we have another Parfums de Marly, and this is Delina Rosee. Y'all been another one, and another one, and another one. Y'all been talking about her, okay? And I have smelled her in store, but I don't think it was like a lasting impression for me at first. But honey, getting the travel size, yeah, I gotta get her. Gotta get her. Definitely gotta get her. So this has pear, exactly, Turkish Rose, Softwood, White Musk, and Vetiver. Y'all know. If y'all don't know, welcome. She's addicted to pear, vanilla, cookie, caramel, cookie cake, gourmand. That's me, okay? All of that. But, honey, have to get this beautiful, beautiful baby. Now, when I say longevity, I had no problem. I had no problem. And when I say projecting, compliments after compliments. Okay, and I think this is also a good blind buy. If you want to blind buy something, especially for the season, cool. Now, when it gets to the cold season, I don't know if you will be rocking with her as much, you know. But is it full bottle? Of course. Did y'all need something else? It's full bottle. Absolutely. Okay, moving on. Next up, we have Sugarful Sunshine. Okay, and I think it's Michel Germain or something like that. Anyway, I heard, who did I hear? Amy Glam talk about this. Heard her talk about this and rave about this. And I was like, oh, I think I saw that on my scent bird. Let me add it to my cart, right? My queue. So notes, we have sugary pineapple, vanilla mango, tropical coconut water. We have exotic frangipani and sweet agave. This, Amy Glam, she ain't never lied. She ain't never lied. Y'all know I love to have fun. If you don't like to have fun, this is probably not channel for you, honey. I laugh a lot. If you are looking for a beautiful pineapple coconut scent, right? For this summer, you're like, sis, I want something that is not going to be too cloying, but, you know, not serious, okay? This is it. I would absolutely get a full bottle. Now, does it last long? No. It's about modern projection, modern longevity. But, you know, I think this price, I've seen it for like under $100. I think I've seen it at places or around like the early hundreds. Look, I would purchase this. This is so good. Highly would get this. I would definitely purchase a full bottle. Now, this summer, would I purchase a full bottle? I don't think so. I think I would really want this at a more discount. If I were to be very honest with you all, I would definitely want this to price down. I might catch this next year in my collection, okay? So, don't be alarmed if you see this next year, spring, summer, okay? But when I say full bottle, absolutely. I have enjoyed, there's not much left. There's not much left from this, okay? I have really enjoyed this. So if you're into pineapple and coconut, this is your baby, okay? Moving on. Next up, I have Alien Goddess, and this is the Super Florale Mugler. Okay. Anyway, this is the newest of the Alien Goddess flankers, right? When I say I like I don't know if it's the original Goddess. I'll have to go look in my collection, but I like the coconut one, okay? Now, I will say, you have to enjoy, let's go there. You have to enjoy the alien DNA, because this is what this is. This has the alien DNA. Alien Mugler has a DNA. You don't know, smell it. You'll see what I'm talking about, okay? But this, I would say, if you are looking for a floral fragrance, that has maybe like a ambery, like maybe a woody. Let's go over the notes. Let me see what the notes are. Let me look it up. So we have top notes of prickly pear, cactus flower, middle notes jasmine sunback, and we have some amber, some dust rose, some musk. Yeah. So if you like an ambery floral, kind of a woody to me, note, if you're looking for that type of fragrance, you would enjoy this. Now, would I say I have tested this a little bit, and modern projection, modern sillage, right? Nothing extravagant. Now, I will say, when I'm saying nothing extravagant, is kind of what I'm also saying for the fragrance. It's nothing extravagant. Actually, when I first smelled this, you know what it like, and people are gonna disagree with me, and it's fine. Like, I don't care. It's my nose.
It is what it is.
But I really got Prada Paradox. Y'all remember that one? That was like a last year release, and that was all the rave. when I sprayed this, it gave me Prada Paradox. It like that's what came to my mind, and I have that fragrance. So would it be full bottle worthy to me? No, this would not, because I feel like I have like Prada Paradox, and like I would feel like for what? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna enjoy this travel size. I'm not gonna say it's a beautiful fragrance, but if you don't have Prada Paradox, if you don't have like a floral ambery type of woody fragrance in your collection, you would definitely enjoy this and want this. But if you do, you're gonna be like, it's nothing groundbreaking, it's nothing amazing, it's nothing that I haven't smelled before. You're gonna be like on one of those thoughts, right? So again, if you have Prada Paradox, I would say I wouldn't recommend this to get a full bottle, because I would be like, what's the point? But if, again, you are looking for something floral, something like ambery, warm, you know, something floral and warm for your fragrance, you know, wardrobe, I would get it. But me, nah, sis, I ain't getting a full bottle of this. Okay, moving on. Well, that's all, family. That's all. Let me know your thoughts. Hey, I have some more we can get into. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Comment down below. Give me the thumbs up. Let me know you like these type of videos, if it's full bottle worthy or not. I enjoy them, as you can tell. I really have fun on them because, honey, it's just me. It's like unscripted. Not that I really do a script. Now, how do you do a script? Anyway, we're not talking about that. But it's just my real thoughts, my experiences, so I do enjoy these type of videos. But let me know if you enjoy these videos. I would love to keep doing them. And honey, I got some more, so we can talk about it more if you want to see what else I got. Make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, what? Your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.